In this age of social media, it's almost second nature for some to do good deeds and then show off to the world what they've done. Don't try to keep some deeds secret, only between you and the Almighty. No matter how small it is, to Him it could weigh heavily on your scales. We're bombarded with the temptation to be popular daily. The pressure to do what others are doing. Don't fall into this trap. Even if everyone is doing it, wrong is never right. Evil, wrongdoings and darkness will never be the truth. Even if popular. Let your faith stand firm. If you feel like you're always giving and never on the receiving end, be grateful. It's like that with some people who won't hesitate to take and take, but will think many times over before giving. Remember, at the end of the day, your reward's with the Almighty. Nothing escapes Him. We have to accept that regardless of what we want in this world and regardless of whether or not we get it, we're still going to want more and so much more. That's just the nature of man. Learn to focus more on what's to come, the hereafter. You'll be the happiest person. Shift your focus from what's bad to what's good, from pain to passion, from resentment and holding grudges to forgiveness. Gratitude and appreciation. Stay positive and hopeful, knowing that the Almighty wants only good for us. Keep spreading goodness and it will come back to you. The Almighty can heal every heart and the hurt inside, mend everything that's broken, guide every decision and lead us to the path of righteousness. It's not difficult for Him. He's the Lord of the worlds. You have to do your part and He will do the rest. Leave it to Him. I strongly condemn the #Sri Lanka attacks. Many were killed this morning while attending church services. This is totally unacceptable. We firmly believe in peaceful coexistence. My thoughts are with the victims and their families. When your heart is in the right place, you'll be sensitive to being unduly praised. You feel uncomfortable. Although people who praise you may be well-meaning, such praise only reminds you of your limitations and weakness. May the Almighty keep us humble at all times. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Live in the present moment and appreciate everything that the Almighty has bestowed on you. Learn to see the blessing that unfolds each time as you go about your daily life. There are many if we only bother to look. Be grateful. People with large egos can be difficult to deal with. Signs of a big ego include overconfidence, blindness to personal flaws, focus on self over others and difficulty seeing other points of view. Be wary of such people. They may not take kindly to advice. Pray for them instead.